In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text on a logo in Microsoft Designer. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in and walk through each step meticulously to ensure you get the most out of this tutorial. First, you need to open your web browser. It can be any browser of your choice, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Once your browser is open, navigate to your search engine and type in Microsoft Designer. This will direct you to the official page where you can access the tool. Now, in the top right corner of the Microsoft Designer page, you'll notice a Sign In button. Go ahead and click that button. It's crucial to be signed in so that all your work gets saved under your account, and you can access it again later if needed. Enter your login credentials, and you should be prompted right into the platform. Once you're signed in, you need to locate and open your project. If you've previously worked on any designs, they should be listed or can be searched for within the dashboard. Open the project where you want to edit text on the logo. If it's a new project, make sure you have your base design ready to start editing. When your project is open, focus on the text box that you wish to edit. You'll typically need to click on the text box to select it. This action will highlight the box, indicating that it's active and ready for editing. Once the text box is selected, you need to double-click on the text inside the box. Double-clicking will activate edit mode, allowing you to actually change the text within the box. This is a crucial step because clicking once merely selects the box, but double-clicking lets you dive into the text. With the text now editable, you can go ahead and type or make the necessary changes. You can replace existing text, add new content, or modify what's there to match your requirements. Be as creative as you need to be to get just the right look for your design. Next, look to the sidebar for formatting options. Here, you can transform your text's appearance by changing the font style, adjusting the size, picking a color that stands out, or altering its alignment. These tools offer a robust array of options to personalize and perfect your text. After you've finished editing and are happy with the changes, it's important to save or export your design. This step ensures that your changes are not lost and your edited logo is ready for use. Usually, you'll find save and export options easily accessible within the application. Finally, review your design to confirm everything looks perfect. Once satisfied with your work, you can download the finished product. The downloaded design can then be used for your intended purposes, whether it be for branding, marketing, or personal use. And there you have it. Editing text on a logo in Microsoft Designer is that simple. By following these steps, you'll have a polished logo ready to go in no time.